Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all well and having a really great day so far. In today's video I'm doing a review of the new face palette from NARS. This is the Orgasm on the Beach palette, and I'm actually wearing all of the shades from this palette on both my cheeks and eyes. So if you'd like to see how I put this look together, grab yourself a drink, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into the video. So this is what the palette looks like, and it comes in this absolutely gorgeous rose gold mirror packaging. It looks really pretty. Inside you're getting 6 shades. There's 3 blush shades, 2 highlighters and a bronzer. One of the blushes is the original Orgasm, which I know is a firm favourite in a lot of people's makeup bags. So let's swatch the shades and you can see what you think. This is what the palette looks like swatched, and I'm sure you'll agree, absolutely stunning shades. Going from left to right, we have the 2 highlight shades in Turtle Bay and Naples, the bronzer in Mandalay, and then the 3 blushes in Montezuma, Orgasm and Zuma. So this palette does retail for £46 and it's available on the NARS website, Boots, and also Look Fantastic in the UK. Now we know a little bit more about the palette, let's get into testing how it looks on the face. So I've just done my base, brows and lips, and I'll link all of the products that I've used to do that in the description box below. I'm going to start by using the shade Mandalay, which is this bronze shade in the corner. And I'm applying that using this Spectrum C04 brush. It's quite a large brush and it's just going to give a soft sort of diffuse look. But so far the powder's giving a really nice soft finish to the skin, very easy to blend out, and it's got a nice texture. And I also like just to apply a very small amount to the lid. I just feel that it blends into the rest of the face makeup and it doesn't look so harsh. And that was the shade Mandalay. Next I'm going to try out 2 of the blush shades, which are these 2 here. There's a beautiful peach shade here, and this pink is the original Orgasm blush. I'm going to apply 1 to each cheek using a clean brush so you can see the true colour. So this first shade is Orgasm, and it's a gorgeous pink with a beautiful gold reflect. It's been in my collection for a lot of years and I'm sure it has for lots of people. And that is what Orgasm is looking like on the cheek. Next we have the peach shade, which I believe is called Montezuma, but forgive me if I'm butchering the shade name, I'm not really sure how to pronounce it. And that is also going onto the cheek beautifully. These shades just blend out so nicely and just sort of melt into the skin. They've got a nice reflect in them though, which gives the skin a really sort of healthy looking youthful appearance. And that is beautiful, really like that shade. For highlighter I'm using this one here, which is Turtle Bay. It's a really beautiful soft gold champagne highlight. And I'm just using that on the cheekbones, and that is a gorgeous subtle highlight. I haven't wet my brush, maybe the highlighter would intensify a little bit if I did, but personally for the style of makeup that I like to wear, I prefer like a subtle glowy highlight. And that's really nice and soft. Just put a bit up on my forehead as well. And that highlighter is gorgeous. It's not chunky or glittery at all. It's a really lovely shimmer that just gives a really youthful glow to the skin. The last 2 shades in this palette which I haven't used are this one here, which is Naples. This is a beautiful highlight, and also this red shade here, which is called Zuma. I'm going to use these as an eyeshadow today. I'm going to apply Naples all over the lid and then go in with Zuma in the crease. And I'm just applying Naples now using my finger, and that is a gorgeous rose gold colour. I think if you've got medium to deep skin tone, this will be a really beautiful highlight on you, but for me I think that it looks beautiful as a shadow. And I'm applying a small amount of Turtle Bay right into the inner corner just to brighten the eye look, and that's blending really beautifully with Naples. And lastly I'm taking the shade Zuma onto this Morphe M456 brush, and I'm just blending that through the crease just to deepen up the eye look. And I'm not sure if you can see from this distance, but Turtle Bay, Naples and Zuma are creating this really beautiful sort of sunset looking gradient. They just blend beautifully. And I'm taking the Turtle Bay shade and I'm just going to use that as a brow bone highlight just onto this small pencil brush. I don't want anything too harsh, just a nice soft sort of glow where it catches the light. And into the lower lash line with the shade Zoom. And to add a bit more depth, I'm going in with the shade Mandalay, which is the bronze shade we used to start with, just to smoke out that red a little bit. Sometimes I think red can look a little bit sore under the eye, and that will just tone that redness down slightly. I'm just going in with a clean fluffy brush to blend out the edges and soften the shadow. That's the eyeshadow now finished. I'm going to jump off camera, apply liner, mascara and lashes, and I'll be back to show you the completed look. I'm back and liner, mascara and lashes have now been applied. It has been a while since I last filmed though. It's been about 4 hours, it's lunchtime now, and I'm really pleased with how the makeup has held up. I think the complexion's looking really nice, looks very natural, fresh looking and youthful, and I really like that the highlighter is not exaggerating my texture at all. I think that the consistency of these shades are beautiful and they blend out so lovely on the skin. I will zoom you in so you can take a closer look at how the shades have performed on the eyes. So as you can see, really pretty eye look. I think this would be perfect for summertime. If you have a medium to dark skin tone, I think this Zuma shade here would be beautiful. I really think that a red blush looks beautiful on darker skin. But again, so impressed with the quality of these shades. All in all, if you're in the market for a new face palette, then I would not even hesitate to recommend this one to you. I think it's got a lovely collection of shades. As we've seen, they can be used on both the eyes and the cheeks. Really beautiful formula, and I've been so impressed with this palette. I think it will be a top drawer item for me in the future. So guys, that's everything for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and I will link the palette in the description box below in case you want to check it out for yourself. If you would like to see more videos from me, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell because I would love to have you back. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Enjoy the rest of your day.